Hey, what's up, guys? Want to do a quick unboxing for you of these storage bags that I just got in the mail. I got these because they're great for traveling, but it's also about time for the seasons to change. So they're really good for doing your clothes seasonal switching. So starting to put away my summer stuff and get out my winter stuff. And these are a great way to keep your closet organized. So you see, here's all the little pack of zippers that they come with. I'll show you one of the bags. So it does say, I don't know if it says it on the front. Yeah, you can see it comes with 20 bags. You get 4 jumbo, 4 large, 4 medium, and 8 small ones. So open up one of them here. That's 2 of them. So here's one of the bags. And you can see they have on the vacuum part there just a little cap over the pink seal. And then it also comes with a pump in here. So you get a manual pump in the bag with it. So as you are ready to seal up your clothes or whatever you're putting in there, you just it's threaded, you screw it on there, pump, pull all the air out, pack it away, and you're good for the season.